Hi everyone, Antoinette here and welcome. Today I'm so happy to present to you my second ever Antonette'S Vignettes. This is a recurring monthly open invite for all YouTube creators to join, where I provide a theme for each month and YouTubers are welcome to style a vignette in that theme, and every month I have a new and different channel co-hosting with me. And for my second ever Antonette'S Vignettes, I'm so happy and honored to have Janny and Dyanne as my co-hosts from Deco Easy. These ladies are so sweet, so kind. Last year, when I was a very new channel, out of nowhere, Janny posted on her community tab to her subscribers to check out my channel and consider subscribing to me. And that was so wonderful. Thank you, Janny. I never forget a kind gesture. And so, of course, I was going to ask Janny to co-host with me in Antonette'S Vignettes. So I am going to link Deco Easy's channel down below in my description box. Please check them out if you don't already know them. If you follow me and you're a YouTuber, you likely do know who they are. If you are not a YouTuber, as far as having a channel, you may or may not know who they are. They are located in the Netherlands, which is a wonderful thing about YouTube. You get to know people from all over the world. They do wonderful, mostly farmhouse type DIYs and the cutest vignettes you've ever seen. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what they do. So I'm going to present to you today two vignettes. The theme is Orange You Glad It's Summer. I love the color orange. I love a lot of colors. I've always said that on my channel. Orange is one of my favorites. I think it's so pretty, so bright, and I don't see it used a lot in decor. And I think it's a shame, because I think it's an absolutely beautifully, aesthetically pleasing color. It's so gorgeous. So that's why I chose it for this particular collaboration and for this theme. So like I said, I'm doing two. One is based on the fruit orange, and the other one is the color orange. The first vignette will be displayed here in my kitchen, and the second vignette will be going upstairs in my family room. So I hope you'll stay tuned to see how I style both and where exactly I put them. So stay tuned. Thank you again to my dear friends Janny and Dyanne of Deco Easy for co-hosting with me this month. I'm so happy and humbled. Welcome back. So as mentioned, I'll be doing two vignettes, and my first one is centered around the fruit orange. And I'm starting off with this round platter. I decided to use a round platter because the fruit orange is round. So I found this plastic, very inexpensive, and I thought this would be the perfect base for our little vignette. I found these orange themed napkins, paper napkins, I believe at Dollar Tree, and I was so pleased when I opened them up and found that they were a full orange slice. I thought that maybe they would be white on the inside part of the napkin that folds over, but no, they're a wonderful full orange slice. And I envision Mod Podging these onto glass dinner plates. Perhaps for next summer, I will probably do an orange themed tablescape. I think these would look fantastic. So look out for that next year. Early warning. So I'm going to place this right on to the platter, and it fits perfectly. So let's now put on our first piece. This is a pitcher that is an orange. It's got the dimpled skin. It looks amazing. The orange leaves and the stem. I acquired this. It's very sentimental to me. It's from my cousin who passed away more than 2 decades ago now. She passed away from breast cancer, and we are a family of women who love to decorate and entertain. So she had many, many pieces that her sister, my other cousin, sort of dispersed amongst all the women in our family. And this is one of the pieces that I was lucky to inherit, and I'm so pleased to have it. And I think maybe this piece might be another sort of reason perhaps why I decided to do an orange theme for this vignette. I think I had this on the back of my mind. I wanted to really use it this summer, and so I'm so pleased to be able to use it. Very sentimental to me. So I'm going to just simply place this right down near the back and off to the side. And so another piece that I have is this little votive holder that looks like an orange, and it is from Party Light a few years back. I'm just going to place it here in front, and I will put a votive in that in a bit. Another cute little piece that I found at Dollar Tree this summer was this cute little trinket tray. A lot of you who shop at Dollar Tree will recognize this. I believe they also had watermelon and I think maybe lemon, and only $1.25 here in Canada. So this is really cute. I'm just going to add it and hope that it stands up. It stands up perfectly, so that's great. And then just this little bowl that I have in my cupboard, I'm going to place it back here. And I happen to have only 3 little oranges or clementines in my fridge. I wish I had one more, but I only have the 3. I'm going to place them right inside, and that will just sort of be part of my display here until my guys eat them, decide that they want them. And then I went into my Halloween stash and I pulled out these gems, and right at the top are these orange ones. So I'm just going to take a very small handful and then just place them right in the front. They're so bright and shiny. I love them, and I think they look perfect. And this is our first orange vignette. Very simple. I've always said that a vignette should be at least 3 pieces or more, so we don't have too much more than 3 pieces there, but you can see how when they come together, they just look so cute. So let me show you now where I display this in my kitchen. At the last minute, I decided to actually add the napkins to the vignette in a napkin holder, and you can see that it really makes the vignette look very full now, so it looks a lot better, I think. I'm not sure why I didn't think of that initially, but there we go, and it's just propped up on this white upside down bowl, which acts as a nice prop for our vignette. And that's how that looks displayed in the kitchen corner. Alrighty, so we're here in my family room for vignette number 2. The coffee table in this room is the only surface that has not yet been decorated for summer, so we are going to place our vignette on this table. It's a rectangular table, so I decided it would be ideal to use a rectangular tray for the vignette. And again, melamine, and this is from Dollarama, $4. $4 is the highest price point at Dollarama, and I find that most of the pieces I seem to like and buy are $4, of course. So that's going to be our base. I thought it would be more interesting than, rather than use the runner all along the length of the table, that I would use it for the actual vignette. So I've folded it over once, folding it over one more time, and then simply placing it on the diagonal, draping off of the tray, just like so. So the first piece I'm going to use after our runner is this large glass candle holder. I pulled this from my Halloween decor as well. At Halloween, I will this year probably wrap it with a nice big black bow, and I think it'll look really pretty displayed somewhere. But for summer, we're going to leave it as is and just put it on the tray here at the back and in the corner. Now this melamine again, this plate, I purchased at HomeSense for $2.99. It's a Cynthia Rowley. I already took the sticker off. She's a designer from New York. I think this is so pretty. Unfortunately, they didn't have a set left at HomeSense. They had this one left. So I thought, no problem. One is perfect for a vignette. And after purchasing this at Lowe's, I found this pillow. It's an outdoor pillow, but when I saw how perfect it goes with the plate, I had to have it and I had to display it here in my family room. So I'm hoping that this picks up nicely when I have it all displayed. So I will just take one of my plate holders. At the other corner of the tray, I'll just place this down. And another piece I have, also from Dollarama. I think the first display or vignette seemed to be very Dollar Tree related. This seems to be a little bit more Dollarama. I've got some other pieces here from Dollarama. So this is just a tin orange candle holder with glass inside to protect our burning candle. And that's just going to go right here, I think. And then another piece, here we go. You know, I purchased one of these little party items. I purchased a package actually. I'm sure you've seen these where you just sort of open them up and they make this pretty display. So I thought this would look really adorable here on this vignette. So I'm going to wrap the string around it to sort of keep it in place. And then I'm simply going to place it like so. And I think that should look quite nice. And I found these orange rose petals. They're floral petals, probably rose, and they're in orange, which I thought was perfect. Also Dollarama. I'm gonna simply take a small handful and just scatter them around. They're much lighter than the color of my runner, which makes them really stand out very nicely. So I love that. And then I'm going to place more of those gems that you saw on my first vignette and just scatter them around, take out the black one, and we'll just place those like so. We have a few clear ones here. They look nice against the orange satin runner. And simple as that, quick and easy as the first vignette, this is our second vignette. It will be displayed here on my table, and I'll show you that in a moment. If you would like to participate in Antonette's Vignettes and you haven't as yet, I will post the rules at the end of this video for you so you can sort of read those and see if that's to your liking or not. I invite all YouTube creators to join me in Antonette's Vignettes every month. Check out my community tab very soon to see what the next theme is for August and who my beautiful, lovely, wonderful co-host will be. This month, again, thank you, Janny and Dyanne, mother-in-law, daughter-in-law team who have one of the most wonderful DIY channels out there. Thank you, ladies. I'm so excited to see what you're going to have for us. And to everyone who's participated in this, I'm so excited to see what you guys will be doing too. I hope you enjoyed my two little simple vignettes. They don't have to be complex. They're just simple little quick displays of your favorite little items, and they're fun and a wonderful way to just add and finish off your decor for the season. I hope you enjoyed that. Now, check to see how I've displayed this and all the rules for Antonette's Vignettes. Thank you so much for joining me.